Hello, this is Nick with Albert Air Conditioning, and today we are looking at an installation that we just did for a house that had nothing. So we added a full central heating and air conditioning system and took out a wall furnace. So I'm going to walk you through the inside of the house in this video. In another video I will do the outside of the house where we did the AC condenser, the electrical, and the lines out there. So we are looking at a 3-ton horizontal Carrier Infinity Series furnace. This is the model number 58CU0A040C1712. It's going to be matched with a 3-ton coil that's horizontal as well. And then outside we'd put a 2-stage Carrier Performance Series condenser, and I'll do another video on that. So I'll walk you through all this, show you what's going on. As always, please like this video and subscribe to my page. We really appreciate that. So let's get right into it. So with this house, we just had a wall furnace. So we had to do what's called a full cut-in of this system, where we add all the ductwork, the furnace in the attic, the coil in the attic, the supply ductwork on this side. We have to cut in all the grills in the ceiling with the register boxes. We have to add a flue vent through the roof. We add this platform right here that we're looking at that has to be in front of the furnace. The furnace is on 6-inch furnace stands. You can see the gas line and electrical coming up right there. So this yellow wire is the electrical that runs from the panel all the way over here to this switch, as well as the plug which the furnace plugs into. So we have a light switch and we have the plug where the furnace plugs into. The gas line came from where the wall furnace was. So we run that up inside the wall, and then we run that over to the furnace. We put a gas strip leg on that and the gas flex right there. Like I said before, we do have a 4-inch flue vent on this that goes up and through the roof, and we do a 4-inch double wall flashing, and this was a composition style roof, so we were able to cut the hole very easily and roof that in and do a cap and collar on the roof for that. On this side of the system, we have the evaporator coil right here. Underneath it, we do have all the drain lines and drain pans. So we have a primary drain that will go outside and drain into a little pit that we dig with pea gravel. And then the secondary drain line will go out and over a window that side of the house, which is code. And then we always put a kill switch on the pan, so if any water gets into the pan, it kills the system. On this side, with the ductwork coming off, these are the supply ducts. So we have a big supply plenum there, that metal box which is insulated on the inside. The pink insulation insulates all of the metal takeoffs, as well as the boots for the actual ductwork up here. And you can see all those. We ran this ductwork. It's all R8 flex type duct, which is code. We have ductwork coming off the back going over there. So you can see how we did all that. We run the refrigerant lines. You can see they're coming into the coil right there. We ran them up, and they go all the way out the house over there, and that's where the condenser sits, on the back side of the house. On this side of the system, we have the return plenum. So we have a really big duct coming in there from the return grill, and that is where your filter is. So we framed out a spot in the attic there for that return grill. I'll go downstairs and kind of show you how we did that in a moment. So during this video, if you have any questions or comments, please leave those in the section below. I appreciate all those. I'm going to go downstairs and show you what we did down there now. So we did have to do a new attic access for this house. It has to be 30 by 20 to be able to get the furnace and the other equipment into the attic. That is all code. In this room right here, you can see that we cut a return grill right there. That is a 20 by 20 bar type return filter grill. And you can see the filter is in that there. And that's where you would get it. These two clips right there and right there open up, and you're able to get the filter out. These are the supply grills that we did. So we have one right here in the ceiling. We have one in every room, basically, a dining, a kitchen. This is the living room. So we do have 2 of them in here. We have 2 in each bedroom. And right here, That's where the wall furnace used to be, behind this cardboard. We covered it up because we didn't want open walls, but we'll be coming back to finish that off for the customer probably in a few weeks. And then we also did the ecobee thermostat right here. Right now the ecobee is on heating. It is pretty cold today, so we're heating it up. We actually have a HERS test later today because we did city permits with this, so that requires HERS testing. So I'm gonna go back in the attic and show you what's going on up there again. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. If you're located in the Orange County area, please give us a call. We'd be happy to help you, give you an estimate on a system like this. You can reach us at 714-526-6368. Visit us at albertair.com. And as always, please like this video and subscribe to my page. I hope this helps you, and have a great day. Thank you.